So you've got a couple of options. You can kind of wire the 3 together and pull it on through, or you can kind of wire them as you go. And if you're going to wire them as you go, you got to remember that your throat bends down like this. So what you're going to need to do is kind of adjust from there. So let's turn this around. We have kind of a better idea how these are going to go. So just pick one of your petals. It doesn't really matter which one. And we're actually going to bend it this way. And you want to line it up with the bottom of the column. So you want to make sure all of those wires get covered and it all comes together at the base of that column. And I know it looks like it's going the wrong direction right now. Don't worry about that too much, because we're going to bend that back and it's going to be just in the right place. You actually want to kind of exit across where it's going to end up. There we go. So right now they're going the opposite direction of where they're going to end up. Don't let that throw you. We're just trying to get these wrapped nice and solid, cover up all that wire. Once I get those into place, I'm actually going to go ahead and wrap all the way down. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over. And I am going to actually place these exactly where they're going to be. So on this one, it's on this side. I'm just going to line it right up. And sometimes it helps if you get your floral tape started. So see, you want it to end up like that. So we're going to place it right where we want it. This one goes in that opposite position, right there. And then finally, our last sepal, or excuse me, our last sepal. It's going to go right here on the top, on either side of our petals. So we're going to place it kind of face down. Go ahead and work your floral tape back up. Make sure you're covering all that wire. And then we're just going to finish wrapping it. There is our final bamboo orchid. And we're going to go ahead and place this on our cake. And what I like to do, very carefully, because I don't want to cut this, is I'm actually going to bend it down like this in the back. And you want to make sure that when you bend it the right direction, and I got a little off. There we go. I am going to put it right in my fondant bamboo so that it's not actually in the cake itself. I'm going to use this smallest one as my kind of starting point. There we go. And there we have our finished bamboo cake with bamboo orchid. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Have a sweet day.